Noble men and women are no longer with us, but their names will live on forever in the minds and hearts of those who inherit their legacy. Here's a very special video of the first ever Meghalaya Day celebration, and we'd like to extend our gratitude to Mr. and Mrs. Niketu Iralu.
The autonomous state of Meghalaya was granted to the Khasi and Garo peoples. A 100,000 people come to the inaugural celebrations of the new state. The governor, B.K. Nehru, told the State Legislative Assembly, "Seldom have such far-reaching constitutional changes been brought about with so much goodwill and understanding." Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi flew in from New Delhi for the celebrations. Ministers are sworn in by Governor Nehru.
Would you further repeat after me, please? I,
Stanley D.D. Nichols Roy,
do solemnly affirm that
I will not directly or indirectly communicate.
Captain Williamson Sangma, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, gives the inaugural address.
I would also like to thank the members of Parliament and the political leaders at the centre and in Assam who made it possible for the Reorganization Act to be passed in record time. I am convinced that given goodwill and a spirit of cooperation on all sides, we can set an example for the rest of the country. Madam, once again, I thank you and a distinguished guest in our midst. On behalf of the people of Meghalaya, Jai Hind.
This is a new constitutional experiment and we sincerely desire its success.
Kanikalong kajing persyang kabalingkong nagaliang jonggar san sinsar.
I am glad to hear you say that this goodwill and spirit of cooperation will continue on all sides and set an example of cooperative endeavor for the rest of the country.
Ngasno ha sibon baja sno bopyong bagani kamansim kababha kamansim kabiya trelang kanya trelang kanya trekam hagabate hagabarai penroi nakilian barasal.
These efforts could bear fruit because of the spirit in which you, your colleagues and your people responded to them.
A tribute to the great leaders who made this historic day happen, lest we forget.